Now, the next algorithm that we are going to discuss is the Kruskal's algorithm on a greedy method. So we'll solve a basically minimum cost spanning tree to find out the minimum cost spanning tree from a graph. So in a graph, there could be a different type of spanning tree. We can have more than one spanning tree, but among them, which is the minimum cost, this is called the minimum cost spanning tree. So, what is the approach will take care to solve the Kruskal's, in case of Kruskal's algorithm? Is basically you can say that the graph is basically a set of vertices and set of edges, and if the edges are ordered in a ascending in a descent in a cost of descent ascending order, so the cost of every edge E is sorted as per their cost, say E1 to En. So we can start our algorithm with taking care of edge E, and the solution set is the is initially is a empty set, and we will going to take the selected set of solution, that is x. From x will be selected from edge of set of edge E, and if this will give you a solution, and finally we'll test where all the vertices are connected, and no no cycle will be exist in that tree, because tree do not have a cycle. So if we try to draw a simple example, and the edges are connected like this, I named as vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, vertex 4, and this is a complete graph I have drawn. Now, now the cost I try to write, say 4, 2, 1, 3, 6, and 7. So first we will apply a selection function, and then that function will basically suppose we try to make a sorted order of ages on the based on their cost, and definitely we found that age 3 to 4, age 3 to 4 will be the first entity, and then age 2 to 3 is the second one, and then third one is the 1 to 4, and fourth one is the 1 to 2. Now I for another uh, for some discussion, I'm making a change of that values to 3. Okay. Now what how we'll start? We'll start to draw the initially the 4 vertices. So vertices are in a set V. Now we supposed to take that the certain set of E from E is your candidate set. From candidate set, you will ultimately get back the solution set, right? So this is a 1, This is the 2. This is the 3. This is the how the crystals works. You first making it the sorted order of ages with respect to cost. So first one sorted is the age 2, 3 to 4. So you connect it. The cost is 1. Now 2 to 3, you connect it. You will connect until it is make a cycle. Fine. If you connect it, the next one, maybe maybe you interested to think that I again making change of for discussion. I'm making the value of this to this is the 3 and this is a 6. So I may have a choice that I can select the then next age this one as because of the 3. But once I going to connect this, then become a cycle. So once the cycle is formed, I am not allowed to select it. Okay, so that is the point I want to discuss. Is that's why I make a change of it. Now, so then the next one is again a 3. So I can add it and add my it. I need to mind it that how many ages I have added. So for crystals or minimum for spanning tree, always the number of ages must be n minus 1 number of ages. So if you have a n number of vertices, then the tree will be generated by n minus 1 number of ages. So you have a n vertex. So then you have a n minus 1 number of ages. Okay. So your running will be your running execution of running of your program will be ended here because you have already have a n minus 1 number of pages. So you stop it and that will be the minimum cost spanning tree and the cost of the spanning tree is nothing but the 6. So this is a simple example I have taken care for explaining the principles algorithm. But detail you can found in the how the algorithm is written. And this is the basic idea or basic backbone of that Kruskal's algorithm that we have discussed. But in detail, you can find that how the algorithm is written, how the problem is discussed with example of solutions that I'm going to discuss in the next pages. Okay. Uh, Let us now check that what is the data structure you will record. Basically, disjoint set, make set, find set, and union is the basic operations of disjoint set of data structure. You might be covered in a data structure algorithm part in the previous semester. So that the set is a new set that we have made the point that by set of V and find a certain amount of items that are V containing the V. Okay. And union means you are making a dynamic sets that union of these two sets. So basically, once you adding in a solution set, so that is basically you making a union of them. So if you say that union of X, union of S and X. So this is nothing else just union of A's and X is denoted by the operation of distance set operation by union function. Okay, so that will be required in a discussion of Kruskal's algorithm. So initially, state is empty. So what are the uh, what are the ages you are going to include in that? That is actually initially A is state that will be a ultimate solution. Okay, so ages of MST. Now for every vertex V in a vertex set V, so you're making a set of V. Sort E. E is a age set into non-decreasing order by weight of W. Okay. So for each UV is now become a every age in a sorted list. Okay. You are coming to the sorted list as UV. UV is a basically denotes as a each and every age. So EI denotes nothing else, a UV. Like 3,4, like 3,4 was the age which is which was a cost of 1, right? So find for do if that find a set U and equals to find a set V. তাদের মধ্যে যদি কোনো এজ থাকে U and V এর মধ্যে যদি কোনো এজ থাকে, so set E তোমার U set আর V set দিয়ে যদি কোনো এজ থাকে, if there exists a age, তাহলে সেটাকে তুমি অ্যাড করে দিচ্ছ in a UV and making a union of UV. So you're making that as a set of them. So finally, when the loop is ended, definitely when the loop will be ended, then it reaches the n minus 1 number of ages in a A. And obviously, no self loop will be allowed. If there is a loop is there, then no, then you have to terminate your or remove that from the state, and solution should not contain any age which creates a loop. Okay. Let us now check with some example. This is the illustrated example for Kruskel. So this is the entire figure. You can see the corresponding weighted weight are given. And suppose that these are sorted. Okay, so in a graph the ages are sorted, and which one is the minimum cost, that the shortest cost, then age G to H cost is 1. So I make it red, that I taken care. This age is now connected. Now next one is a 2, and there may be several 2. So I can choose any one. Here is the option that you can choose this one or this one. Okay. So if you choose the CI, so then it's the red. Now again, the next cost is a G This is the some wrong. GG will not be there. Next, let's see what the color is given. Okay, the G something is why should I sell? This is the EF. F. Probably it's the F. Instead of G, it will be F. So the once the two is selected, the next sort is one or two. That also selected. So that become the red symbols edges are connected. Now then there come the four. The four is there C, F, and AB. So I may connect gradually both the strings. Okay. So both the edges are connected. Now if I have a minimum cost of C, if I have a minimum cost of C, then that is from G to I. So G to I is a 6, but if you connect it, then cycle forms. So you are not allowed. Then the 7. 7 also if you connect 7, that also a cycle. So 6 and 7 are not allowed to connect. Okay. So but this 7 is allowed because these do not form a yoke. So I add this one, and now you can check after that the which one is the less. Is 8 is there, here is the 8 is there, you connect that 8. Okay, now if you connect this 8, then it probably you getting cycle, right? You will getting cycle if you connect 8 this 8, so you will get the cycle. So that is not allowed. So remaining is the 9 and 10, and definitely 14 will not be come to picture, 11 will not be come to in picture. Okay, so only remaining is the 9. So if 9 is connected, now you can see that all the vertices are connected. So this is the end of the iterations, and in that iterations you can see that n minus 1 number of edges are connected. So how many edges are there? Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 edges are there. So that's why red number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minus 1, 8. So 8 number of edges are connected, and it's converted to minimum cost spanning tree. The summation of all the weightages will be the cost of the minimum cost spanning tree. So this is the part, and here is the analysis is given. Now uh, the sorting the edges, to sort the edges you require E log E. So there are E number of edges. So you require to sort it, and you that will be cost of around E log E. And second is a second loop is basically searching the P to find the set, find set and making union. So as it finds set and union is a searching of set E. So this is the linear. So that becomes order of E. So as a result, E log E. So you can consider that E log E plus order of E. So as a result, it becomes the solution of E order of E log E plus order of E log E. So as a result, it is a little bit maximum time is this one. So it's the order of E log E. So rather you can say the solution is order of E log E is the maximum component of a solution of a Kruskal's algorithm. Okay. And there are finally all are given. The V is a lesser time. That's all conclusion is taken. The total time costing is the order of zero. All those these are the conclusion that is taken that E is number of ages may be very high instead of number of V. So minimum time that will take order of E log V. Okay, if the ages are already sorted, then E which is almost linear. So that's why this time is discarded, and as a result, it is considered order of E log V, and sometimes it says that order of E log E is the highest amount of time. So this is the around discussion of Kruskal's algorithm.